Okay, this is a quick video for Isons for Janet, showing the Zebra 170 Xi3 Plus that we're going to be shipping probably today, Wednesday. So on the back it has both US and Ethernet network capability. So I think initially we can just use USB to keep it easy, but eventually you could have it on your network and share it. Got power cord connection. Has a cover, obviously. Now it does have a couple of imperfections right there on the side, we call it the main motherboard cover, but it's just cosmetic. So all that's been buttoned up and is fine. I've got your tag material loaded, so when you open up the cover, there's no sensor that senses the cover open or closed on these printers. I've got your material in there. Normally the Zebra printer, the material would feed over the top and go in, but it's working fine this way. And I notice your existing printer unwinds that way as well. The notches need to be on the inside. We can help you source 1/2 inch by 5.5 tags as well if we need to. So, but as you can see, this material easily fits in here. In fact, you could do 7-inch tags on this machine as well if you want to. You can see the way it loads, and I'll leave the material in there so you can get a feel for how to load the machine, but it gets put inside that guide. The print head on this machine opens up much wider than your existing machine, so it also uses coated side out ribbons, so the new ribbon material comes off the back side of the ribbon just like on your printer. It is a little bit more intricate to load the ribbon. It goes under that dancer, over this little dancer, and then under the black roller right there. So I'll leave this ribbon in there for you and try to brace it so it doesn't affect anything, and I'll leave that ribbon for you to use to just get you started. So and then the waste material ribbon comes up over the top and underneath. Some printers the waste material comes over. On this printer the waste material gathers underside, and then you can use this release mechanism to release the wasted ribbon as it builds up on the take-up side. On this printer, you can see I've got it queued up already. I'm going to print some tags that I've already sent to it so you can watch it print. I've got it paused right now so that you can see the labels as they the tags as they come out. So I just sent a job of 10 and then I had it paused already, so then I just released that job. So basically, for user friendliness, I think your printer doesn't open up very wide, but this printer, if you take these, the two toggle feet there that you see, they can be lifted so that this print head, this arm can come up a full 180 degrees like that, which allows this print head mechanism to open way open if you needed to, so you can see very clearly into the media path, which I believe your current printer doesn't allow that to be open that wide. So anyway, just some ins and outs of the printer. We've cleaned it all up for you. You got to close the print head so it's got a full display. A bunch of adjustments can be made through there that we're familiar with. So it's a 170 Xi3 Plus 300 DPI unit. We're getting good quality print on there for you. So I've got a 2-line description with the quantity. This is just printing, a sample that I had in the designer. We would probably adjust where that quantity is printing, move it to the left or something like that. Anyway, that's your printer that we're going to be shipping out.